How to change your birthday on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will walk you through how to change your birthday on TikTok. It's so easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok. This is my profile. For example, click on edit profile, and like you see, there is no option that says change birthday. Now all I need to do is click on how to media and click on add account, and you can start a new account with your age. If you want to change your birthday on this account, all you need to do is click on those three buttons up there and click on setting and privacy. Now scroll down and click on report a problem. Wait a minute, and now account and profile, and now click on editing profile and click on other. So click on no and click on need more help, and now write your feedback that you want to change your birthday, you have a problem with this account and anything you want, and click report, and they're gonna solve your problem. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.